Hi, and welcome back to Clover Mountain Dairy. I decided I would do a short video today with a little recipe. So often we do chores and then it's like, oh, we need something to eat. One of the fast things that we make a lot of times is quiche. Quiche is very easy to make. You can buy a pie crust or you can make one. And then all you have to do is mix 2 eggs, a cup of really good high quality milk, then usually some type of cheese, some type of meat, some type of frozen vegetable, salt and pepper, and put it together, bake it at 350, and then it is a delicious meal. So we're going to do that right now. Pie crust. If you make one, that's great. If you use one of these, that's great too. We usually always have some pie crust in the fridge. You just let it sit out on the counter for a little bit, and then it usually will unpill pretty easily. You put it down on your pie plate. Once you get it in, you can just use your fingers and quickly make like a little edge here, like this. Looks like it came from a store. All right, there is the final thing. So what we do next is we have to mix our base, which, like I told you, 2 eggs and a cup of milk. You just add a little salt, a little pepper, take your amazing organic grass-fed A2 local milk, add a cup of that. And this becomes your base. Super simple. Next, you just need to get everything in your pie plate. You just kind of sprinkle it in there. Obviously, we like cheese. We also like broccoli. Again, you can use pretty much any meat. This is really great for leftovers. We make this a lot on the farm. All right, once that's done, we just pour in the base. You don't have to pre-bake the pie shell. You don't have to cover the edges. It's very no fuss. And that's what it looks like. Then we put it in 350 degree oven for about 50 minutes to an hour. All right, the timer is almost done. I checked it at 55 minutes and I put it in for another 8 minutes. Let's see what it looks like. It looks like it's done. Let's pull it out. I think that looks done. So we are looking forward to a delicious hot meal here after working on our dairy farm. Thanks for following along and watching this short video about making a quiche. I hope it's inspired you to do some of that for yourself. And I hope you're having a good Thanksgiving week. And we'll see you next time on the Tomarosa.